Here is an Electrolux ergospace canister vacuum. This was a yard sale find from last week. It is a bag machine as has the bag indicator, plus I'm ordering a set of bags that are on the way. This vacuum also has variable speed control by the switch here, and it has a HEPA filter underneath this cover. And there's the 3-in-1 tool. This is a crevice upholstery and dusting brush at the same time. This will open up and show what bag is underneath. It is a cloth bag. As you can see right there, that's held by this plastic bag holder. And there's a pre-filter behind there. I'll be throwing this bag out and put a new one in once new ones come. Here's a close-up of the bag compartment. It is sealed around here. There's the indicator. Here's underneath the machine. Got the spinner wheel there. And here's the rating label. This one was imported from Europe. And this vacuum was probably serviced at a vacuum shop based on this sticker. It is one of the local vacuum shops in the county I live in. And that's for the forward tool if it has one. And this strap would help hold the hose in place when it's wrapped on top of the machine for storage. So here's the hose with the slider suction control here besides the switch on, but I'll be showing a brief demonstration of this vacuum before I do cleanup with it. So my Sony camera battery died and had to charge the battery now, so I'm using my Panasonic camera to show a brief demonstration of this vacuum with the bag that came with it. And like I said, I'm gonna put a new bag in because the old bag is almost full and it smells right now, so I'm gonna be cleaning this up at least when the new bags come in. I don't know exactly when, but it's supposed to be coming soon. So here's a demonstration on this rug here. So you pull the cord out. It has an automatic cord winder. Here's the plug. Very nice flexible plug, soft cord. I turn the machine on, show the variable speed. Yeah, that's how long the cord is. That here it is on. Let me turn on. So there we go, that's the variable speed demonstration. It's not as quiet as a Miele vacuum, but it's still quieter than a lot of mainstream vacuums in department stores. But here we go with cleanest carpet. And I'll be using the 3-in-1 tool in upholstery mode to clean this rug up for demonstration. So here it is. Carpet looks pretty clean. You know, use the upholstery tool, but the 3-in-1 tool. This one's the only one that came with vacuum. My God, again, it was a yard sale find. So there's a brief demonstration, and someday I'll clean it up. Yep, so there you go. Video of my Electrolux ergospace vacuum initial checkout. Goodbye.